America is winning again. We have the best economy in our history.
That was President Trump touting America's booming economy at a rally in Las Vegas last night. And you can see what the markets were doing yesterday. There was much to cheer. The Dow and S&P 500 closing at new all-time highs. We're looking at a mixed open this morning on Wall Street. The Dow futures are still to the plus side. Joining us now, Salt Financial President and Chief Operating Officer Alfred Eskandar. Alfred, good to see you. Many of the guests, even John Hilsenrath, who doesn't pick stocks for a living, said that the stock market looks primed to rally on good news from here. Maybe to the end of the year, into the new year.
Well, it's been very hard not to rally, recently. Every indication has been positive, and all the good indicators are actually getting even more positive. So going into the fourth quarter, it's hard not to be optimistic.
What do you think will drive it, though? So what are the key things in terms of news to look out for?
Sure.
Again, a Federal Reserve meeting, because many people, including Steve Forbes, are worried about the Fed messing this up, messing this economic expansion up, and killing a market rally.
So I don't think so. I think Chairman Powell's done a fantastic job. I think he's been very clear in his communication to the street. I think the street's taken his guidance and feel very comfortable about the 25 bip increase in September. Consensus definitely has it happening, so it's already kind of priced in. So short of any kind of surprise later on in December, I don't think it's going to really shake things too much at all.
We're not seeing anything really comprehensively affecting the markets as it relates to trade and tariffs, and even though major companies like Walmart, as we reported this morning, are warning about having to raise prices, do you expect any effect in Q4?
Well, it's hard not to assume $200 billion worth of tariffs are going to somehow come back to the U.S. I mean, if you think about it, if China's goods become more expensive, we're going to have to pay that as well, right? So the market shrugged it off yesterday as we saw two new highs. What we tend to monitor is the overall sensitivity of stocks relative to the overall market, and we're actually rebalancing our index today. And what we're picking up is a lot of energy stocks going into the fourth quarter. Now, if you recall, energy was the big winner in Q2. That was a great thing for us because it actually outperformed technology. It outperformed financials and many of the sectors that have been really, doing well this year.
I just want to say, though, it's not a total of $200 billion in tariffs. It's only 10% of $200 billion. True. $200 billion coming in, so 10% being less than the expected 25%, at least in the short run, was kind of eased people's worries a little bit. But I want to get to this. We're watching the technology sector, and Lindsay Bell, who is a frequent guest on this program, and she has talked about this and has been tweeting about this. Why Google and Facebook stocks have been so weak in the past month is because they're really not going to be considered technology stocks anymore. They're getting pushed into two different indexes out of the technology index. Do you think that's what it is? And it does speak to maybe how you value those companies going forward.
Well, you'll look at them differently for sure. They're staying in the S&P. They're just going to a different sector. Right. So they're going to be moved out and pushed into the consumer communication services, which is replacing telecom altogether. There's definitely a lot of movement around because obviously people have been following these stocks for God knows how long. But it's safe to say they've also underperformed all year. So this could be just a little extra kick. But they've definitely have not done what some of the others like an Amazon and an Apple have done all year.
Right, and they've also been playing a little. Been a little shady with how they communicate with their users about what they're doing with our most secret and private information. So, Alfred, thank you so much.
Pleasure.
So you think we get a rally from here till the end of the year?
I think the good news continues on. The good indicators are only getting better. Unemployment's below 4%. GDP is over 4.2%. So the good's getting better.
Great. Alfred Eskandar, thank you so much. Great to see you.
Pleasure to be here.